So we will be discussing the sales budget. So we have here the problem 1 for estimated sales in units and pesos. So the management of ABC Corporation is considering the three state economic conditions: strong, fair, and weak. Based on macro studies, it has been forecasted that the economy in the coming year may be 30% strong, 50% fair, and 10% weak. The projected number of units are 150,000 units, 100,000 units, and 60,000 units for strong, fair, and weak economic conditions, respectively. The budgeted unit sales price given the estimates in units sold is 150 pesos. 4% of the gross sales are estimated to be uncollectibles. For the required, we have first the budgeted units to be sold for the coming year, and budgeted amounts of sales net of doubtful accounts. So, to determine the budgeted units to be sold, the company uses probability to get a more realistic estimate of sales. So each projected unit level is multiplied by its corresponding probability under different economic conditions. So we have economy ABC, and we have 150,000 units for economy A and 100,000 units for economy B, and for economy C we have 60,000 units. And for our probability, we have 30% for economy A, 50% for economy B, and 20% for economy C. So to get our budgeted unit sales, we have to multiply the units and the probability. So for economy A, we have 150,000 multiplied by 30% equals 45,000 units. For economy B, we have 100,000 times 50% equals 50,000 units. And for economy C, we have 6,000 multiplied by 20% equals 12,000 units. Then, i-add po natin lahat ng ating nakuhang budgeted unit sales, and magkakaroon po tayo ng 107,000 units. So, si 107,000 units, ito po yung ating expected sales units considering all possible scenarios ng economy. So, after getting the budgeted units, next to compute is the budgeted net sales in pesos. So first, the gross sales is calculated by multiplying 107,000 units by the selling price of 150 pesos, resulting in 16,050,000 pesos. However, since not all sales are expected to be collected, a 4% allowance for doubtful accounts is deducted. So this amount is computed as 16,050,000 pesos multiplied by 4%, which equals to 642,000 pesos. Then ibabawas po natin yung ating gross sales para maka-arrive tayo sa net sales na 15,408,000 pesos. So this final amount represents the more realistic estimate ng sales na talagang makokollect ng isang company.